I forgot to send you a video, Daniela, of the house at the end of the painting. Sorry. We've done it a herb cornucopia, and the window trims and the top fascia is muted sage. So this is the side, the bedrooms, Nathaniel's, and then we're going to the front of the house. The green changes colors depending on whether the sun's on it or not. Whoop. And I'm going to step away. Sorry about the jumpity jump. You know how uneven our grass is. And then there's the front. We haven't painted the doors, but they will remain white, as we left all the interior window frames white. There's the front of the garage. So all our stuff for fixing is over there. And then I'm going to pause it.